continue to the alternatives for roof system. So now we'll discuss the filler slabs. So the filler slab roofs are basically solid reinforced concrete slabs with partial replacement of the concrete in tension zone by the filler material. So you can see this is the one of the filler slab. So here the concrete in tension zone is partially replaced by the filler material. Here they have used the stabilized mud block. Okay, so concrete which is in tension zone is partially replaced by any of the filler material, that is called as filler slabs. So in between these there will be a tension steel, that is steel reinforcement will be provided. So the filler material could be cheaper and lighter. The filler material which you are using, that could be filler that could be cheaper and lighter. So a number of filler materials can be used. So some of the filler materials are listed here: the brick or brick panel, manglure tile, stabilized mud block, hollow concrete block, hollow clay tile block. So here you can see this one. In this they have used the manglure tiles as the filler material, that is as the partial replacement of the concrete in tension zone. So by this they are going to reduce the cost of the slab. By using this alternative they are going to reduce the cost using the any other filler alternative material, that is filler material with the same properties. So the size and shape of the filler material which are governed by the factors like thickness, code guidelines on spacing of reinforcement bars, desired ceiling finish, etc., and has to be carefully selected. So the shape and size and shape of the filler material will be depend on the code guidelines, slab thickness, spacing of reinforcement, and desired ceiling finish. So here you can see the code guidelines for the filler material. So see, first filler material is manglure tile. So for the single tile the length should be 410 mm, breadth of the tile should be 260 mm, and thickness should be in between 30 to 35 mm. That is the length you can go for, that is 0.41 meter, or breadth is 0.26 meter. Okay, so manglure tiles if you are using for double tile, so then the length is 410 mm, breadth is 260 mm, and the thickness should be 65 to 70 mm. So how they see, for the stabilized mud blocks, for single mud block length is 230 mm, breadth is 190 mm, and thickness is 50 to 100 mm. So likewise for the different material they have given the code guidelines. You have to go for that to select the size and shape of the filler material. So the quantity of the concrete in the tension zone of the slab that which is replacing by a filler material depends on the shape of the filler material available and the thickness of the slab, that is solid slab. So the quantity of the concrete which you are going to replacing by using filler material, that will be depend on the shape of the filler material available and the thickness of the slab. Depend on these two points, the quantity of concrete will be replaced. For example, in a solid concrete slab of 125 mm thickness, a filler block of 60 to 70 mm thickness can be used. So for a solid concrete slab of 125 mm thickness you can go for filler material, that is use of filler block of 60 to 70 mm. So this is how the choice of the selection of the material differs. And in a typical situation, by using stabilized mud block, 25% of the concrete can be replaced by a material. 25% of the concrete can be replaced by a material which costs the 1/3 of the cost of concrete. So which cost, that stabilized mud block which you are using 25% of the concrete, that cost the 1/3 of the cost of concrete. So this means that 15 to 20% of the cost of concrete can be saved by using this method. 15 to 20% of the cost of the concrete can be saved by using this method. So in general, SMB used as a filler material have higher percentage of cement to ensure the high level of performance and even under the wet condition as well. So when you are going to replace the filler material to the concrete, you should taken care of the durability also. So for that you have to use the higher material of uh, that is higher percentage of cement. It should good perform good under the wet condition also. So here you can see the SMB filler blocks with the reinforcement. These are the SMB filler blocks. You can see here the pin between the reinforcement is also provided. This is the under construction picture. See here you can see the SMB filler slab prior to finish, that is just before to finish. Okay, this is the ceiling used by Mangalore tile filler slab. You can see here Mangalore tiles used here. Okay, so this is about filler slabs.